afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me today. My name is Peter. Welcome back to another episode of Invest with Peter Ad. So today I'm going to be talking about how to invest like an hedge fund, right? So that's the title and that's what I'm going to be talking about. I don't want to take your time. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, try to subscribe to the channel, like and put your comment down below so that's going to help the algorithm to tell people that, you know, there's another edition of Peter Ads that other people can watch as well. So thank you for your support. And let's go straight into it. So today, there's a difference between investing like an hedge fund or trading like an hedge fund. They're two different things, but I'm not going to be telling you the difference today. You can probably go on YouTube and check out what's the difference between investing and trading. So let's go straight to the point. So because I'm going to analyze 5 points today on how to invest like an hedge fund. I've written them down so that I'm not going to miss up, or I'm not going to go outside what I've written down already. So guys, the first one is they don't trade for no reason. They don't invest for no reason. As a retail investor, sometimes we get emotionally, attached to a company. I love this company. I've been using this company for the past 20 years. I want to put money in there and all that stuff. Hedge fund don't invest like that. And also, they don't invest based on what a friend actually says or what a manager told them in the office the other day and all that. They have a tangible reason before they put their money where their mouth is. So now, the first thing they will look at as a fund is the political view of the country, the economic situation, of the country. And they say, okay, let's say, what's going to happen? All right, we think so person is going to be the next president. What are the agenda? What are the things that go along the policies of this particular individual that will become the president of the United States? Okay, for example, Donald J. Trump. If Donald J. Trump becomes a president, what are the things? What are the companies that's going to, take advantage of his presidency? Or what are the companies that's going to perform better compared to when Biden is in government? So these are the things the hedge fund will sit down, analyze, and brainstorm within a group of, people who know what they're doing before they start putting their money where their mouth is. So they actually always look out for how to make money, or not how to really, take advantage of a company. They want to make money. They are specific about, what they want to do and how to make that money. So for example, now we believe that if Donald J. Trump, I'm giving you an hint now, so becomes the president, J. Trump actually likes the oil. He's an oil guy. He likes his oil. So we know if he might have some issue around this man's policy, but oil companies like Chevron, BP, so on. So, they're going to be the companies that's going to benefit from Trump's presidency. So these are the things that hedge funds actually look at. They don't, trade with, opinions of whatever. They actually look at the books properly, vividly, and pick why they want to invest in that particular company. So, like I said, they look at the economic condition, the policy, the change in government, Fed's behavior. So, Jerome Powell came out the other day and say, well, we're still data driven. We're looking at these. They sit down, listen over and over what Jerome Powell is talking about before they put their money where their mouth is, before they invest the money. Because if they invest anyhow, they're going to get called in by their, by their investors and say, why are you spending my millions of dollars unnecessarily? Why are you losing my money? So they have to be very specific and understand how to trade and what they want to trade on. So that's not. Number 2 is they seek information. These people seek information. That's why they lobby in Washington. If you go to Washington now, you see so many politicians lobbying for this and that, working on behalf of hedge fund. Well, that's what happened. It is what it is, guys. So they always seek information. What's going to happen? Which policy is going to be approved? What are the things that's expected in the next 6 months? How is this going to affect our portfolio? And how is this man, the Speaker of the House, is going to raise this, agenda? How is that going to benefit us? Or how can we short this company just to benefit? Because hedge fund, they trade up and they trade down. So if it's going up, they buy. If they think it's not going to go well with this company, they short the company straight away. So they always seek information, seek knowledge. So as a retail investor, I know we are limited to information we have compared to the hedge fund, but we need to seek information as well, get to understand that, well, before I deploy my hard-earned money, because we're actually trading with real money. So before we actually deploy this money, let me understand the things that come to this company, do my due diligence, do my research, check their details. Okay, what's being talked about in the house today, or what's the senator so from Washington or from Oklahoma is saying about this policy. These are the little information that you want to use to your own advantage. Hedge fund always use that information to their own advantage. Another one is they understand the charts, right? So when you've gotten all this information, you have lined up, yes, I'm interested in this company, I want to buy this company. Then how do you invest? When do you invest? This is when trying to understand the chart. So they've got your chart masters that tells them this is the entry level, this is the lower low, this is the previous high, this is the previous low. This is where I believe is going to be the best, entry point for us. These are the things, little things that you can understand too as a retail investor. If you put your mind into it, you can always understand when to put money in, when to take your money out. If you get stuck in a company, well, you get stuck, you want to leave it, keep it there. But hedge funds always deal with chart masters that tell them, yes, let's put this, buy order at these particular dollars, just in case we know we want to take profits, whenever it gets to this level. So for example, let's say Shopify went down the other week from $77 to $57.56. So chart masters or people that understand chart will be looking at, okay, I think the best entry point for us is going to be around $56, 55 thereabout. So if hedge fund sees that, comes in straight away, buy order goes in, and that's it for them. And if they believe the company will keep going down, well, they keep selling the company, they keep shorting the company. So understand the entry level, the lower lows, higher highs, and all that, and when to put in your money and when to take out your money. Understand the basics. You don't need to be a chart master to use these. Understand the basics and functions of all these, the patterns and the meaning, your MACDs and all that stuff. What's the direction of the market? Is it going this way? Okay, if the MACD turns around, what am I going to be expecting from these and all that? So these are the basics that you can understand. You can learn this on YouTube as well. There's so many people that talk about these on YouTube. You can gain one or two information from them, and you can use it to your own advantage as well. So next one is controlling of emotions. These people are dealing with people's money. Hedge funds deals with people's money. So emotion is out of this game totally. So as I know, as a retail investor, is our money. Maybe you love, Chipotle, you love Apple, or you love Nvidia and all that. So let me just stick with this. No, they don't deal with emotion. If you want to make money, you put emotion aside, invest in what you think is gonna make money. That's why most hedge funds, they prefer the people that are rational thinkers. Like, this is what's gonna happen. Once we get this level, we sell out. Once we get this level, we just stop loss has to be in place to kick us out of the game and all that. So control your emotion. Don't let emotion overrun or override your approach to investing. All right. So the last one is use better platform. Better than average platform. There's some platform all you just need to do on your phone is to buy, sell, close your positions. You need to understand the outflows. Any platform that doesn't show you the patterns of outflows and inflows, when people are buying and when people are selling, when institutions are buying, you see the chart, you see the round circle, like that you can see the outflows. So you can see the lines. Okay, there's momentum in this level and all that. Those who trade know what I'm talking about now. So use a better than average platform to invest. All right, if you want to invest long term, look at the platform. I'm not going to name any platform here, but I'm going to say use better than average platform that that they can show you the detail and charts and patterns of the inflows and outflows. When the money is coming in, follow the head. When the money is going out, when all these CEOs are selling or they're putting their buy order, or when they're actually insisting on holding the particular company, you need to do that as well. So lastly, I'm going to be talking about Nvidia and the companies that are going to be reporting. Company reporting next week are Target is reporting, Macy, Lowy, and Nvidia on Wednesday. Guys, my little hint is I believe Nvidia is going to beat earnings again, and we will be touching the $1,000 we've been waiting for. Guys, I'm not saying you should go and sell your house and buy Nvidia before next week. I'm just saying be careful, but I believe 90 something percent that Nvidia is going to beat earnings and we will touch that $1,000. For those who want to trade it, go trade Nvidia for next week. And guess what, if you make money, just let me know in the comment section. That thank you for telling me this. I made some money. So thank you very much. I'll see you some other time. I remain Peter Ads. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye.